Hello everyone, this is Paul from Huha speaking. Today I'm shipping the goods to my Uzbekistan customer. This is 70 plus 35 extrusion line. This one is the main extrusion machine payoff, and this water tank, accumulator, wire accumulator edge steel. It's not very clear inside. The spools, and from China to Uzbekistan, it's shipped by railway, so we have to fix the machine in the container bottom very well. Here is nails to fix the machines, fix the parts. So to keep the parts components is fixed very well in the container when shipping, when in transportation, so it won't be move and it won't be attach each other and break the machines. Also, our customer also ordered some spools, the 50 spools. Okay, place your order in Wuhan. We will make sure everything is done well. Thanks for your customer trust. If you have any inquiry or question, just feel free to contact us. Thanks for watching.